You love your car. But let's be honest, sometimes it feels like its main job is to drain your bank account. Between gas and repairs, the costs add up fast. And you can't forget the insurance bills. You may be surprised to learn that some cars are much less expensive to maintain and insure than others. In the long run, being aware of this could save you thousands of dollars in just 1 year. There's countless options of vehicles on the market today, which is why we are here to help you make the best choice based on your driving needs and budget. In this video, we'll break down the facts about the most and least expensive cars to maintain and insure. Plus, we will go over the vehicles with the most fuel efficiency, lowest depreciation, and highest safety ratings, and how these factors affect both your monthly expenses, but also the return on your investment. But the key step you can't miss is the importance of comparing car insurance quotes. We will teach you the simple process of comparing insurance rates at quote.com so you can find the best provider offering the most competitive prices. With our quote tool, you'll receive quotes for free in minutes so you can compare rates from the top insurance providers in your area. Simply enter your car details and see options that match your needs and budget. No more overpaying for coverage. Find the perfect fit and keep your money in your bank or sock drawer, whatever you prefer. Now let's dive into the facts you need to find the car that is the most affordable and best fit for you. And we just might help you find some cars to avoid. Understanding the financial implications of insuring and maintaining a vehicle is crucial for prospective car buyers. The expenses associated with owning a car extend far beyond the initial ticket price. Several factors contribute to the overall cost of owning your vehicle, including claim history, repairs, insurance rates, depreciation, and inherent value. Insurance premiums are determined by many variables, including the number and costs of claims and the cost of parts and repairs. Plus, cars with advanced safety features and expensive technology will have higher repair costs, further increasing premiums. Vehicles require regular maintenance, including oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks. Some cars are more expensive to maintain due to the cost and availability of parts, repair complexity, and servicing frequency. Luxury vehicles often have higher maintenance costs due to their expensive parts and services. One of the best ways to save money is by comparing insurance quotes from top providers at quote.com. With our free quote tool, you can get the best coverage at the lowest price. You can't maintain affordable car ownership without a smart insurance investment. Choosing a car with affordable insurance costs can significantly reduce your overall bills. Thanks to their reliability and low repair costs, there are vehicles on the market with surprisingly affordable insurance. Here are the 3 cheapest cars to insure. Winning first place is the Honda CR-V. Because of the CR-V's dependability and longevity, insurers place a decreased risk and chance of claims. Lower repair costs and CR-V parts being readily available also help keep insurance costs low. Landing in the 2 spot is the Jeep Wrangler Sport. Due to its tough design and off-road capabilities, the Wrangler Sport sustains less damage and requires fewer repairs. Insurance premiums are lower due to this uncomplicated design and inexpensive parts. The 3rd cheapest car to insure is the Subaru Crosstrek. Thanks to overall affordability and superior safety ratings, Crosstrek owners enjoy cheaper insurance costs. Its cutting-edge technology and low repair costs result in low-cost premiums. No matter which car you drive, insurance is a must. Use our free quote tool at quote.com to compare rates from top providers today. Opting for a vehicle with low maintenance costs can greatly reduce your ownership expenses year over year. Several models stand out for their affordability in terms of routine upkeep and repair, making them popular choices for budget-conscious drivers. Here are the 3 cheapest cars to maintain. Winning first place is the Toyota Corolla. Known for its reliability and affordable parts, the Corolla is the most affordable model to maintain in the U.S. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and tire rotations are straightforward and inexpensive for Corolla owners. The second most affordable car to maintain is the Honda Civic. Cheap repairs coupled with its longevity result in Civic owners enjoying years of affordable maintenance costs. Its design simplifies repairs, and its affordable parts both further contribute to its cheap maintenance overall. Ranking 3rd is the Ford Fusion. Its design allows easy access for repairs, reducing time and maintenance fees for Fusion owners. Its solid construction and reliability mean it requires fewer repairs, making it a great option for budget-minded drivers. Find the perfect insurance match for your vehicle in minutes at Quote.com. Take advantage of our free quote tool, which makes it simple to find the best provider with the lowest rates. But do keep in mind, certain vehicles come with significantly higher insurance costs. Vehicles with advanced technology, electric drivetrains, and high repair costs get awarded higher insurance premiums. Here are the 3 most expensive cars to insure today. Ranking number 1 is the Tesla Model S. Due to its advanced autopilot system and sensors, the repairs and parts for a Model S are quite expensive, leading to insurance spikes. The second most expensive car to insure is the BMW S Series. With advanced engineering and high-end components, the BMW S Series requires specialized tools for repair, increasing labor costs. Even minor damage can be costly to repair, which drives up premiums. Landing in the third spot is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Known for its luxury and advanced technology, the Mercedes S-Class requires costly replacements and specialized maintenance, leading to higher insurance premiums. Owning a luxury car has plenty of perks, but there are significant insurance rate spikes. Explore your options at Quote.com, where you can compare providers and find the best coverage at the most competitive rate. Opting for a high-end or luxury vehicle often comes with significantly higher maintenance costs, which can add up over the life of the car. These vehicles typically feature advanced technology, specialized components, and intricate systems that require expert knowledge and expensive parts to maintain and repair. Let's go over the 3 most expensive cars to maintain. Landing in first is the Audi A8. This luxury sedan has advanced components and a complex system. Plus, A8 repairs require specialized knowledge, costly parts, and extensive labor, making it the most expensive car to maintain. Ranking second is the Porsche Panamera. Due to its specialized parts and labor, the Panamera requires high maintenance costs. Plus, owners must get regular servicing of their Panamera's brakes, tires, and engine by trained technicians. The third most expensive vehicle to maintain is the Land Rover Range Rover. Luxury coupled with off-road capabilities make the Range Rover appealing, but it does come with high maintenance costs due to its sophisticated suspension system, advanced technology, and high-performance engine. No matter what car you drive, unexpected repairs will put a strain on your wallet. Don't get caught off guard. Dependable car insurance will help you avoid out-of-pocket expenses. Head over to Quote.com to compare insurance quotes and find the best rates today. What's one big way to lower the cost of owning a vehicle? Opt for one that's fuel efficient. Fuel efficiency is a major money saver, but simply picking the most efficient car isn't always the answer. Let's explore the different types of fuel efficient vehicles and how their unique characteristics can impact your monthly expenses. 2 winners of the most fuel efficient title are the Toyota Prius and the Tesla Model 3. Their hybrid and electric engines offer superior fuel efficiency compared to traditional gas-powered cars. Other winners in this category are the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla. These compact models provide the best fuel efficiency for gas-powered cars, making them a great choice for daily commutes and long-distance driving. The diesel Volkswagen Golf TDI offers award-winning fuel efficiency, but comes with higher maintenance and fuel costs. Knowing the different types of vehicles on the market will help you make informed decisions that align with your transportation needs, financial goals, and environmental concerns. Head over to Quote.com and use our free quote tool to compare insurance options from the best providers in your area. It's the only way you can know when you've found the best deal for your vehicle. Even though buying a vehicle can seem like a great investment, depreciation can quickly reduce those earnings. 2 vehicles with the lowest depreciation resulting in the best resale value are the Subaru Impreza and the Toyota Tacoma. While they're popular in the used car market, luxury cars like BMWs and Audis depreciate faster, causing significant value drops within the first few years of ownership. Understanding the depreciation rate of a vehicle will help you make an informed decision while shopping for a car. Factors influencing depreciation include brand reputation, market demand, and vehicle condition. By considering these factors, you can choose a vehicle with better long-term value, minimizing the impact of depreciation and increasing the return on your investment. And remember, the most important investment you can make as a car owner is insurance. Your car could be destroyed in an accident, and without insurance, you'd have to pay for all damages out of pocket and could be left with a crumpled car that's worth nothing. Visit quote.com and use our free quote tool to compare car insurance offers from the best providers before it's too late. In addition to insurance and depreciation, you must consider the vehicle's safety ratings. Beyond the need to keep everyone safe in your car, the safety rating can significantly impact your expenses. Those 5 stars mean the vehicle will protect you from harm, but they can also save you some serious cash when it comes to insurance and more. Let's delve into how these ratings influence your expenses. Vehicle safety ratings play a crucial role in determining insurance premiums and maintenance costs. Vehicles with high safety ratings are often cheaper to insure and maintain due to fewer accidents and lower repair costs. The Subaru Outback and Volvo XC60 consistently win the highest safety ratings from organizations like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, leading to lower insurance premiums. Advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and adaptive cruise control not only enhance safety, but also reduce insurance premiums. However, repair costs for these systems can be higher. Reviewing accident statistics and safety ratings before purchasing a car can provide insights into potential insurance and repair expenses. Vehicles with lower accident rates typically have lower insurance costs, making safety ratings an important consideration for budget-minded car buyers. Make a beeline to quote.com to compare quotes from top insurance providers. There, you can quickly and easily see how rates drastically change based on the vehicle you're insuring. We talked about the most and least expensive cars to maintain and insure. Plus, we went over how fuel efficiency, depreciation, and safety features all affect your expenses and overall investment. Affordable options like the Honda CR-V, Jeep Wrangler Sport, and Subaru Crosstrek help keep costs low, while luxury models like the Audi A8, Porsche Panamera, and Land Rover Range Rover have higher maintenance costs and faster depreciation. There's really no reason to consider depreciation or resale value of your vehicle, though, if you don't take the most important step as a car owner and buy insurance. Without car insurance, you could get in one accident and lose it all, and be left with thousands of dollars in debt. Take advantage of our free quote tool at quote.com to compare car insurance rates from the best providers in your zip code. On our site, you will get a list of the most competitive rates in minutes. Finding top-rated coverage with the most affordable premiums has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving insider advice. You don't want to miss it. We'd love to hear from you too. If you have any experience driving and insuring one of the cars we mentioned in this video, please share any tips you have for others. Also, ask any questions you might have about car insurance, depreciation, maintenance, or safety ratings in the comments below. We have licensed car insurance agents eager to help. Maybe you had a nightmare situation happen to you that could help someone else understand the importance of getting adequate insurance. Your insights would be a huge help to others across the nation. If insurance coverage feels like an overwhelming mystery to you, we have a video that will be a huge help. We break down the various types of insurance, explain the benefits and average costs of each one, and help you know which types of coverage you need and which ones you should skip to save money. Check it out. Oh, and hey, if you know someone shopping for a car, please share this video with them. You could help them narrow down their choice and even avoid a major money pit. It could help make a big difference in their decision-making process. They could save thousands as a car owner thanks to you. Well, that's it for today. Happy car shopping, and remember, never skip or skimp on car insurance. Thank you for sticking around till the end, and we'll see you at our next video.